Today I want to show you how you can quickly and easily write queries to join data between Snowflake and Postgres using GlareDB. For this example, I'm using this table of New York City real estate sales in Snowflake. The table has a bunch of different fields with information about property locations as well as the transactions themselves. New York City is divided into 5 boroughs, and this first column records the borough in which the property is located. But in this example, the lookup table for which borough is which is located over in Postgres. What are we to do? Well, if we use GlareDB, it doesn't really matter that the data are located in different places. Let's take a look. So in this example, I'm going to jump over to a Jupyter notebook. I like using the notebook because the cells can make it easy to demonstrate different queries quickly, but you can also do this in the GlareDB Cloud Workspace with the GlareDB CLI or even with the GlareDB Node.js bindings. So first, we're going to want to make sure that we've installed the GlareDB Python bindings here with the simple pip install GlareDB. Then we'll import GlareDB. After that, we'll set up a connection. And once we have our connection, we can run any query with con.sql. We've already seen the data in Snowflake, so let's take a look at this lookup table in Postgres. As this runs, you'll see that GlareDB has different functions like read Postgres, read Snowflake, read BigQuery, and that's what we're going to use here. So into this read Postgres function, we've passed our credentials as well as the name of the schema, the name of the table. Then we've taken the output of the query and we've written it to a pandas data frame. You can see we have our borough name and our borough ID right over here. Okay, so we've seen Snowflake, we've seen Postgres, we've seen our data. Let's take a look at the query to join them both. So run this. And you'll see that just like we had our read Postgres above and we have it here, we also have our read Snowflake. And so we're passing in our Snowflake account and all of our credentials here. And then finally, we have the name of our table. And we're taking our read Postgres from before, and we're going to be joining it on the borough ID. And you can see in this table right over here, we have all of our fields. We have our borough name that we've looked up from our Postgres table. And that's it. It's as simple as that. In just a couple of minutes, we've been able to join data from Snowflake to Postgres. In a future video, I'll show you how you can also add your Snowflake or Postgres instances to GlareDB as external data sources to make it easier to select from multiple tables without needing to use your credentials each time.